Ameer and welcome back to my another video. So sorry because I was sorry for where I was so late. It has been more than 50 days I haven't uploaded a video, but I'm back. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT write your essays or anything. So let's get started. You have to go to chat.openai.com, okay? The link will be available in the description, or you can see from here also. Chat.openai. Click on sign up if you are new. If you have an account, click on login. I have an account, so I will click on login. Okay. So I will continue with Google. So wait a minute. So okay, I have login in. It is loading. Okay. So first tell me what is ChatGPT. Okay. So ChatGPT is an AI created by the company OpenAI that helps you to do anything. Okay, it can't show you images or anything if you have to buy the GPT-4. Okay, but the GPT-3 is good, powerful. Okay, so let's say it. Write an essay, imaginative essay. Wait a minute. Imaginative essay for a school picnic for class 2. Okay, easy, easy language, no tough or hard words. Okay, now I will send a prompt. Okay, so now it will create an imaginative essay for a school picnic. Okay, you can see it has given the title a fun day out our class to picnic adventure. Okay, so you can see the essay has been made. If you don't like the essay, you can click on this regenerate and it will create a new imaginative essay. Okay, so I have it's good. You can stop. Hmm? So now what you can also, for no copyright deduction, you can change the words. Okay, so that you don't get any copyright issues. Now click on here if you want to save it or share it. Yeah, if you want to share this, just click on here, the share button, and click on copy link, and you can share it anywhere. Okay, so let me open this in a new tab. So if you will share anyone and it opens the link, the this will be the share chat. Okay, so thanks for watching. My name is Mohammed Ameer. Don't forget it, and please subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.